What's up internet, welcome back once again. I'm Manish from RebellionRider.com. So the previous tutorial was all about simple if-then statement in Oracle PL SQL. There we learned that simple if-then statement enables us to specify the sequence of statements to be executed only if the condition is evaluated to be true. In case this condition is evaluated to be false, then no special action is to be taken except to proceed with the execution of the program. To overcome this drawback in Oracle PL SQL, we have if-then-else statement, widely pronounced as if-else statement. With if-then-else in PL SQL, we have two groups of executable statements. One which gets executed if the condition is evaluated to be true, and another group gets executed if the condition is evaluated to be false. Once the if-then-else construct gets completed, the next statement right after if-then-else block is executed. Let's take a quick look at the syntax of if-then-else statement. And here is the syntax. As you can see, if-then-else construct starts with the keyword if and ends with the reserved phrase and if, which is very similar to the simple if-then statement which we saw in the previous tutorial. Anyways, followed by if keyword, we have to specify a valid condition which will get evaluated. If this condition is evaluated to be true, then control is passed to the statement 1, and if this condition is evaluated to be false, then control will jump over statement 2. Once the construct is completed, then statement 3 is executed. Hope this made the concept of if-then-else clear to you all. If you still have any question or suggestion, then feel free to leave a comment down below. So now it's time to do some examples because they are the best way to understand the concept. I think you all will agree with me on this. So let's jump over SQL Developer and do some examples. So we will start with a very simple example. Here in this example, we will take a numeric input from the user and will check whether a user has entered an even number or an odd number using if-then-else statement. This is gonna be a very easy example. In the declaration section of this block, I have declared a variable v_num with the data type number, and using substitution operator, I am taking values from the user. Next, in the execution section of the block, we have our if-then-else construct where we are checking whether the number entered by the user is even or odd. For this test, I have used mod function of Oracle library as our if condition, which will divide the first parameter by the second parameter and return the remainder, or say modulus. If this modulus is 0, then number will be even, otherwise number will be odd. Thus, if the modulus comes as 0, then control will jump over first dbms_output statement and will print the given string. But if modulus is not 0, then control will jump over second dbms_output statement and display its string. Once this is complete, then control will come out from the if-then-else construct and will print the third dbms_output statement. So let's execute this PL SQL block and check the result. My first input will be 20. And here is our result. Let's execute once again, and this time let's take 25 as an input number. 25 is odd, and that is our result. You can visit my blog and copy this example and try it by yourself. Link is in the description. I'm always willing to learn new things from you guys. So if you have any better example for if-then-else statement in PL SQL demonstration, then please feel free to comment, or you can tweet me the screenshot of your code at Rebellion Rider. With this, I'll take your leave. Thanks for giving your time. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it on your social. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon with another tutorial. Till then, take care. This is Manish from Rebellion Rider.